Hello everyone, welcome to Kumari's home cooking. Today's recipe is going to be cuttlefish sambal. This is a Malaysian dish, and actually it's also called squid. This is a dried one. I soaked it overnight. The longer you soak, the better it is. There's many ways of soaking this dried squid. Okay, I have about 500 grams of squid because it has a lot of water in it, so it's kind of heavy. And I have sliced onion and blended onion with garlic, tamarind juice, dried chili paste, coconut milk, and this is just the water which I washed out the blender. Okay, coconut milk, and I'm going to cut the cuttlefish into medium size. Okay, now let's get started. This is the pan I'm going to use. I'm using about 5 tablespoons of oil. You need more oil for this. I'm going to put the onions first. And cook this for a minute. Okay, I'm going to add this blended onion. You must blend this fine. And I'm going to use the chili paste. This is a dried chili. I soaked it in hot water, then and leave it for a few hours, and I blend it. Okay, you can do that too. Dried chili paste is really tasty. And also, I forgot to mention, I'm going to use one large tomato. Cook this for 2 minutes until the tomato is cooked. Okay, here I'm adding one tablespoon of salt, and also I'm going to add peanuts, and I'm going to add some. Hello everyone, welcome to Kumari's home cooking. Actually, I recorded the first part, but it didn't. There wasn't enough storage, so I'm going to repeat again. This is a squid. I soaked it. This is a dried squid. You have to soak at least 2 days before you cook. And here I already cooked the chili paste, onions, and everything. It's cooking now. I used 5 tablespoons of chili paste. 1 large onion blended with garlic, 5 pods of garlic, 1 tomato large, and then I cooked it in the oil, and it's almost done. And only this part, you still have to go further. So I'm going to use coconut milk, jaggery, peanut, blended peanut, which I roasted and I blended. Okay, and you need some tamarind juice. This is how the dried shrimp, squid, cuttlefish look like. Okay, and their head part, I have taken them out from just before cutting them. Okay, I'm gonna put in the gravy later, so I'm gonna add all the other ingredients. I'm gonna add the tamarind juice and cook this for 5 to 4 minutes. And I add 1 tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to add coconut milk, 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Okay, and let it cook for at least 5 minutes. Okay, while it's boiling, I'm going to add the peanut, which I dry roasted and blend it partially. I'm adding about 4 tablespoons, and I'm going to add the brown sugar, 2 tablespoons. I'm going to let it cook until the oil comes out, okay? Look at the beautiful color. Okay, now you can see it's already cooked and you can see the oil coming out. Now at this stage I'm going to add the dried squid, cuttlefish. Okay, cook this for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, good. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Here I'm adding half teaspoon of salt according to your taste. Look at that. There are some squid bigger than this. You have to soak that at least 3 to 4 days because they are very big. They need to be soaked longer. This is a small cuttlefish. Look at the beautiful color. It's snowing, it's winter here. It's very cool. January and February month is the coldest month. It's full of snow everywhere and it's very cold. Okay guys, it's done. Look at that. It's really tasty. I tried. It's really tasty. And I hope you guys will try this recipe at home. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. Bye.